Let's talk about lambda functions in Python. Imagine we're baking cookies and we need to calculate how much sugar is needed for each batch. We also have a list for the number of cookies included in each batch. Let's just say each cookie needs 5 grams of sugar. We'll use a lambda function to calculate this for us. A lambda function is an anonymous function that is written on one line. They're called anonymous functions because we don't actually need to specify a name for it like normal functions. To create our lambda function, we start with the lambda keyword, followed by one parameter we'll name cookies. This is just a placeholder, so you can actually provide it any name you want. Then we type colon, followed by our expression. So cookies will be multiplied by the grams of sugar per cookie we defined earlier. Then we use the map function to apply our lambda function to each number within the list. And then finally, we convert this into a normal list. Now let's print the results. If you want a more user-friendly output, you can try something like this. But just a side note, even though lambda functions are great for one-off calculations, it's sometimes better to use normal functions, especially for more complex operations. If you ever use lambda functions, your code can actually be harder for yourself and other developers to read through. So only use them when you really need to. So